Are you ready to try DTF with me? You need DTF powder and DTF transfer sheets. I need to put a piece of paper behind the DTF sheet. Otherwise my printer doesn't see the sheet. Now we can print the design. I am using my Epson sublimation printer. In the meantime, heat up the press to 200 Celsius. It's important that you apply the powder right after printing. You don't want the ink to dry before you add the powder. I have put butcher paper under the design. This way I can catch the powder that doesn't stick to the print. Make sure you cover the with a good amount of powder. Don't worry about wasting the powder. We will put it back in the jar in a minute. Now put the sheet in your heat press but don't close it. Let it sit there for a few minutes. When the powder is melted you should see vibrant colors. In the meantime we can put the powder back in the jar. See how easy you can put it back. No wasting powder whatsoever. Now let's see how our DTF design is curing. This is what I meant with vibrant colors. Look how the powder is all melted with the design. I only need one design. So I cut the design I need now and put the other half away for later use. Put your shirt under the press for a few seconds. This way you get the extra moisture out of the shirt and the design will stick better. Now place the design where you want it. Press it on 200 Celsius for 15 seconds. It's important that you let the shirt completely cool down. If you don't, the design will not stick to the shirt and you will ruin your project. I think it's cooled down enough. So I will carefully pull the DTF sheet from the shirt. I already love what I am seeing. The colors are so bright. I am really loving this. To finish this, you need to press the shirt one more time for 15 seconds and you are good to go. For the best result, don't wash it within 24 hours. You can wear it in the meantime. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I definitely had fun making it. Please subscribe if you enjoyed it too. And I would love to hear from you in the comments.